Here is the second video on my early 2000s Lasko 12-inch oscillating fan. It is a model from the 90s or something, and it is an older model. So we have the badge, which has the really old Lasko logo with the K with the wavy designs, a metal grill, and then gray blades, and then spinner nut. That's all there is for it. It has the same sort of, it goes together as a similar way to my newer one. Yeah. Here's the side of the fan. It is pretty short scale. It does tilt, but it's kind of hard to put it back up. There we go. And it has a carry handle. My other one doesn't really have a carry handle. Efficient to this one. Here's the back. Oscillation, which is obviously different from the newer Lasko fans that we have today. Plastic back grill. Has the switch at the bottom corner. For your speeds, here's high speed. It does use the pedestal fan version of this that's 16 inches. Oscillation control. Pretty good oscillation. Does make a bit of noise when it oscillates, but that's kind of expecting for a fan. It's medium. There's low speed. Very quiet on low speed. And that's it for the video 2 on this fan. So yeah, thanks for watching.